What's going on, guys? Doing a walk around video on our latest RWB offering here at RMC Miami. My name is Eddie, and this is a Viola RWB. Car was imported from Japan. It is original Viola metallic. It's got the M1 wheels. Looks fantastic. Factory slick top, sunroof delete. This is the widest of all the available wide bodies that you can order from Nakai. Car is stunning, runs beautifully. It's got custom headers and exhaust. Super clean. Everywhere you go, people give you thumbs up everywhere you go with it. It's got 58,000 original kilometers. Runs phenomenally. Interior is fantastic. With the seats, Momo steering wheel. Of course, Nakai signs it right there. Super mint condition. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so you can hear it on. Sounds really good, obviously, with the headers and the exhaust. Being a Euro model, you have the adjustable headlights. As you see right here, control the height of the headlights. Turn the radio off. And 58,000 kilometers. Runs really good. It's got HIDs, which look amazing. Comes with a couple of silencers if you want to lower the sound of the exhaust, but in my opinion, it sounds perfect. And it just looks crazy. So wide, so aggressive. Ready to be enjoyed. If you have any questions on this car or any other car, feel free to call me. My phone number is 305-527-6867. Follow us on Instagram at RMC Miami. And looking forward to hearing from you guys.